Routine maintenance tasks are a vital part of home management, ensuring that your living space remains functional, safe, and comfortable. By staying on top of these tasks, you can prevent small issues from becoming bigger problems and extend the lifespan of various systems and appliances in your home. Regular maintenance not only helps you avoid costly repairs, but also keeps your home in a good condition, enhancing both its value and your quality of life. Establishing a schedule for routine maintenance tasks is key to keeping your home running smoothly throughout the year. One of the most important areas to focus on for routine maintenance is your heating system. Regularly checking and servicing your boiler or central heating system can prevent breakdowns, especially during the colder months when heating is essential. An annual service by a qualified professional ensures that the system is working efficiently and safely. Additionally, bleeding radiators to remove trapped air can help them work more effectively, improving heat distribution throughout your home. Staying on top of these tasks can reduce energy consumption and ensure your heating system operates at its best when you need it most. Another critical aspect of home maintenance is looking after plumbing systems. Regularly checking for leaks under sinks, around toilets, and near washing machines can help you spot issues before they escalate into serious water damage. It's also important to clear drains and gutters to prevent blockages that can cause overflows or damage to your home's structure. If you have outdoor drains or gutters, clearing them of leaves and debris, especially in autumn, can prevent flooding and protect your home's foundations. Taking care of these systems reduces the risk of leaks, clogs, and potential water damage to your property. Electrical maintenance is another area that requires routine attention. Regularly inspecting electrical outlets, switches, and appliances for signs of wear or damage can help prevent potential hazards, such as electrical fires. If you notice any flickering lights or unusual buzzing sounds, these could indicate an issue with your electrical wiring that may require professional inspection. It's also important to test your smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors monthly to ensure they are working properly, as they are vital for keeping you and your household safe. Ventilation systems and air quality are often overlooked, but play a significant role in maintaining a healthy home. Cleaning or replacing filters in extractor fans, heating systems, or air purifiers helps to keep air flowing freely and reduces the buildup of dust and allergens. In kitchens and bathrooms, where moisture levels are high, ensuring that extractor fans are working effectively can prevent damp and mold from developing. By maintaining good ventilation, you improve indoor air quality and reduce the risk of respiratory issues, while also protecting your home from damp-related damage. Another key maintenance task is keeping up with the general wear and tear that happens to the interior and exterior of your home. This can involve tasks such as repainting walls, fixing cracked tiles, repairing or replacing worn flooring, and maintaining woodwork. For the exterior of your home, inspecting the roof for loose or damaged tiles, checking window seals and ensuring that pathways or driveways are in good repair can prevent weather-related damage. Attending to these small maintenance tasks regularly ensures your home stays in good condition and helps prevent the need for more extensive repairs later on. Looking after home appliances is another essential part of routine maintenance. Regularly cleaning and servicing appliances like the refrigerator, washing machine, and dishwasher can extend their lifespan and ensure they continue to run efficiently. For instance, cleaning out the washing machine's filter and running a hot wash with an appropriate cleaning solution can help prevent buildup of detergent and limescale, ensuring it works effectively. Similarly, defrosting your freezer regularly prevents ice buildup that can strain the appliance and increase energy consumption. Home safety is another crucial aspect of routine maintenance. This includes checking that locks on doors and windows are secure and functioning properly, ensuring your home security system is operational if you have one, and keeping outdoor areas well lit to deter potential intruders. Maintaining outdoor spaces is also important, particularly in terms of safety. Regularly trimming trees and shrubs, especially near power lines or windows, can prevent accidents and ensure that outdoor areas are safe. safe and accessible. Keeping pathways clear of moss or debris reduces the risk of slipping, particularly during wet or icy conditions. Routine maintenance tasks extend beyond just fixing things that are broken. They also involve proactive care that ensures your home remains a safe, comfortable, and efficient environment. By dedicating time to regular inspections and small repairs, you can prevent larger, more costly problems from developing and help ensure that your home stays in good shape for years to come. Taking a systematic approach to maintenance, with a schedule that covers seasonal tasks as well as ongoing checks, allows you to manage your home effectively and with less stress. This not only protects your investment but also enhances your living experience by keeping everything running smoothly and reliably.